Muah Chee is a traditional childhood snack, and in these days, we can probably only find it at the pasar malam. It is surprisingly very easy to make at home. We will start by making the peanut toppings. With just 1 tablespoon of oil, fry the peanuts until they are crunchy. Keep the peanuts moving so that they do not burn. Remove when the peanuts are done. Let it cool before we remove the skin. We are frying the peanuts on our own in this recipe. We can also buy roasted peanuts to save time. Grind the peanuts until they are fine and add sugar to the level of sweetness you like. We are adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is 120 grams of glutinous rice flour. Add 180 ml of water and 2 tablespoons of onion oil. Mix until we get a smooth batter. This is what we want. The batter must be smooth and there must be no lumps. Transfer to a steaming plate. Level it and steam for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we have a plate of beautiful dough. We are now going to cut them into smaller pieces. Look at how soft and sticky the dough is. Take 1 portion and place it onto the peanut toppings. Roll and cut into bite-sized pieces. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.